Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I cannot get over how crazy I look right now. Oh my gosh. So I wanted to start off this vlog by saying hello. So today my boyfriend Steven and I are going away. We're going on a little weekend getaway for his birthday. So I'm super excited, but of course, love my life, I am deathly ill. It just like, it never seems to fail that something happens right when I'm supposed to be doing something. So I'm like, so as I was saying before my camera rudely cut out on me, we're going away and I'm deathly ill, but I really want to vlog and just, you know, get the memories. It's Steven's 22nd birthday on Monday. Today is, oh, speaking of the devil, it is February 21st. It's like, oh my god, it's already 9 a.m. Can you see the time? I don't know. It's 9:10 in the morning. I'm super late. I should have been up and doing, I've been up all morning because I couldn't sleep, but I really haven't done anything yet. It stinks trying to go on vacation, like in the midst, like mini vacations, because like nothing else stops. This week has been super crazy. There's a bunch of stuff that I need to get done before we go. I just wanted to say hello and preface this vlog. I hope it goes well. I really need to self-tan. I'm super pale. My camera's dying. Should be interesting. So let's just get into it.
Should I bring that coat or should I just wear this? You can get away with just wearing this.
Yeah, I think you'll be okay with just that.
You know?
Yeah. I'm showing my outfit right now.
Or should I just bring it?
What coat do you want to bring?
The big one from my face.
It's up to you. You could.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I mean, you're wearing sweaters and stuff, so I feel like that could be sufficient. It's up to you. Wow, my face is so red. Well, the last time I checked in, I looked like an absolute wreck, so we fixed that a little bit. So I thought I would show you guys my outfit before we leave.
Very sexy.
Thank you. So this top is from Hollister. I actually picked it up today. This, I believe, was like $15 on the sale rack. And then these jeans are also from Hollister, also on the sale rack, $25, I believe. And then I just have on these snakeskin boots. I picked these up on Nordstrom off the rack, and those are Steven's. No, those aren't Hirachis.
Nike Zoom.
Those are Nike Zooms that I got for him for your last birthday, actually. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Casual, but a little pop on the bottom, and we're about to head out. Oh my god, I look so ugly. Hold on, let me fix my hair first quickly. Oh god, I'm so ugly. Okay. So, I was supposed to film this trip, and thus far, we have not filmed one clip. Not even one. So we thought we would film one now and catch you guys up on what we've done since I've last vlogged. So the last thing I vlogged was when we were pulling in and like by the beach. So can you tell our viewers what we've done since then?
A lot of hot tub action.
So we really have just relaxed the past day and a half so far.
Pool, hot tub,
Pool,
eating.
hot tub, and we've gone out to eat, and that's like pretty much it. I'm so ugly. That's okay though. Yeah, pool, hot tub, we've eaten. Why are you giving that weird smile?
Nothing.
Okay.
And 50% of this trip was Mackenzie telling herself that she was
Pretty much, yeah. That's like, I think how every day goes though, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Please excuse also my neck is Jan. My face is not. My neck is super tan, but my face is not tan. But we're going to ignore it. But I would say it's been a great, relaxing trip thus far.
Very.
And I feel like since the last time I vlogged on Friday, my voice sounds a lot better. I'm not as stuffy, but I definitely still have that cough, still that awful cough. As you can hear in my heckle laugh that I have going on right now. Oh my god, I'm so fucking ugly.
In for the 99th time. Oh god. What are we gonna do with her?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So yeah, this is like where we're at.
I had a great time.
I've had such a great time. There's still like also a self-tan mark on my face. Ignore me. I'm ugly. 100 times. That was the 100th time. High five. So yeah, we're gonna try to vlog tomorrow morning. We're gonna go to breakfast tomorrow. Maybe take a walk on the beach. And that will pretty much be it. We're gonna vlog this week though at home. Can we vlog this week at home?
Sure.
Can we show the viewers what we do at home?
Yeah.
Hell fucking yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to bed. And that's pretty much it. So we will see you guys in the morning.
Bye, man.
Bye. I'm putting you in it. Look.
Very clear right now.
I know. It is really clear.
I can't even keep my eyes open.
Hi friends, so Steven and I just got home like an hour ago from our little weekend getaway that we did not vlog enough of, so I thought that I would include this in this vlog. I got a very exciting package in the mail while I was gone, so I'm going to show you guys right now. Here we have, this is the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette from Morphe. So I wanted to do like an in-depth review, but I was like, you know what? This vlog was a little short, so let's just add it in here and kind of show it. Ooh. So, first of all, I know that there's like a ton of controversy over Jaclyn Hill and her makeup and the stuff that goes on. So if you don't like that I bought this palette, I'm really sorry. To be quite honest with you, I like Jaclyn Hill. I enjoy her her videos. I really feel like at the end of the day, if you as a consumer don't like her, then that's totally fine. Just, you know, like you don't have to watch her videos. You don't have to consume her content at all if you don't like her. I like her videos. I think that she's informative and I think that she's great at makeup, which is really why I watch her. I don't watch her for other reasons or for like the drama stuff. I will say that I have been buying anything with the Jaclyn Hill name on it since she had her first Becca collab. I wasn't like on that first wave of like Jaclyn Hill products with like Sigma and Morphe and I don't know, whoever else she did. But the first thing that I ever bought was the Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop and the Champagne Pop face palette, and I even had that eyeshadow palette that like ended up being recalled, I think. I don't know. So I've had a couple of her palettes or makeup products that I've really enjoyed. I've had others that were total misses. So for example, in my experience, I really have loved, what was it? I love the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I find that the shadows blend really well. They're really pretty and it works really good for every day, and I can just take it or use it and know that I'll have what I need. I purchased 2 of the palettes from the vault. So I think I got the Bling palette, I believe, and like the Ring the Alarm palette. I absolutely hated those. The quality was terrible. The shadows did not blend, was not for me. I actually showed in a video that you guys should be seeing soon, I showed myself getting rid of both of those palettes because they did not work. I did purchase the lipsticks, but I ended up making an error on my end. I ordered and I paid through PayPal, but my PayPal was still connected to an old address. So I wasn't able to reroute the package. I blame myself for that, and I'm not super keen on like shipping and packages and stuff like that and what you can do. I don't know a ton, so I'm not gonna blame Jaclyn Cosmetics for that. That was my fault. I did try to get in contact with like the customer support team and nobody ever got back to me. I never physically received the lipsticks, but when she did that refund, I did receive a refund for them. I didn't purchase the highlighters. I did think about it, but they were very expensive, and to be honest, like I didn't want to spend the money if I didn't know that they would work. And then when this came out, I really loved the color story of it. The swatches looked good. The reviews looked pretty good. So I wanted to try it, and I did have luck with her previous Morphe palette, so I thought I would purchase this one and kind of give you guys a look at it a little bit in depth. So I know that there's been some controversy already with this one. So right off the bat, I did notice that if you can see right here, there's a sticker. People are worried that this palette may be old and has been sitting for 18 months. So I don't know if this is the batch code or the batch number, but you can see that there's, I don't know, gosh, 3 stickers with possibly, I don't know if this is batch codes or whatever the heck, but if you can see, if I could peel one of them off. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. But let me get really close. Okay, so see, you can see there's like at least 3 or 4 stickers stuck on there. I have no idea if that's the batch code. I don't know if this will affect the palette in any way, shape, or form, but I know people have talked about it before, so I did want to show that I do have like double stickers there. So let's open it. You can't see my face, but like that doesn't really matter because we're really looking at the palette. So let's open it up and see what she looks like. It's bubble wrapped very nicely, love that. She has like a little message and cute stuff in the box. I won't keep the box, I could care less. Here she is in all her glory. Let's open her up. So this is the new Jaclyn Hill palette, the volume 2. I mean, she looks gorgeous. I will say, she looks good. She looks good. Let's do this. Let's do a comparison quickly of 2 of them. Don't mind my old one because it's pretty scratched up. So this is the first palette. This is the second palette. So right off the bat, I noticed a couple differences. So let's see if I can see it in pan. Okay. So this one is a little bit more compact. This is the new one. I noticed that, or maybe not. Maybe I guess they're the same size, but this one, the new one feels a little bit easier to hold. I don't know exactly why. And the shade names are like actually on the palette. Like if we can focus. Like, see, you can see that they're on the palette. versus her first palette. They're on the back. So I like that they're actually in there, and the shades look really gorge. I just really liked this color story. I thought it was really pretty. And to be honest, the first row just looked like what I would wear every single day. And I feel like I'll get some use out of it. I think the pans, I feel like the pans look a little bit bigger. But I might just be seeing that in my head. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not smart enough to give you the math on that. But let's swatch a couple. I'm not gonna apply it. I just thought I'd swatch it, talk about it a little bit. And maybe I can do a video this week if anybody cares. With a look on it. Not that I'm a makeup artist, we've had this conversation before, but just to play around with it. Ooh, how should I swatch? Okay, I don't think I'm gonna swatch the whole palette. I'll swatch a couple. I've heard that, I've heard a lot of great things, so I don't know. I'm gonna swatch this fourth row right here because these are really interesting. I like these a lot. So we're gonna start with this like glittery purple. I'm gonna swatch it. This is Flawed, or I'm sorry, no, this is A Moment. So I'm gonna do finger swatches. I don't have anything on my wrist, any primer, moisturizer, anything like that. And let's see how she picks up. I'm gonna really get in there. See if she can focus. She won't focus, okay. Okay, I'm like double swatching, I'm not gonna lie. She's pretty. Do I think my swatches look like how Jaclyn's looked? No, I'll be quite honest. The finger swatch is gorgeous. I know you can't really tell, but I mean, they're buttery. I will give that. They're smooth. They're not super chalky, or this one wasn't at least. So this looks like a sheen or a glitter of some sort. Interesting, but just definitely not as strong of a swatch that as I would have expected. Then I'm gonna swatch Therapy Sesh, which is this like light matte purple. And we'll see what that looks like. So it looks like on my finger. I'm probably not swatching all right. I mean, okay, these don't look like as crazy pigmented as she was. I'm trying to say, I already noticed there's a little fallout in some of the pans. I'm gonna like double swatch and see if she can build up. I mean, she built up, but definitely not like the swatches that were on her channel, but also I'm not a professional, so what the fuck do I know? Then I'm just gonna swatch 4 shades because like we're just gonna give a basic little. All right, I'm gonna swatch Lolly Mama and Tipsy Girl. I'm just gonna swatch these two and we'll see what they look like. Here's Lolly Mama on my finger. She's like not as crazy pigmented as I thought she was gonna be. This one's a little bit better. This is Lolly Mama right here. And then we'll go in with Tipsy Girl. Give her a good. Here she is on my pinky. She looks bright. Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know. So here it is. So from left to right, this is A Moment. This is Therapy Sesh. This is Lolly Mama, and then this is Tipsy Girl. Can we focus? So that's kind of what they look like.